Before starting this video, I want to make one thing clear. I'm not talking about this issue for likes, views, or subscribers. I'm speaking because people need to know what's happening. If you think this is for attention, then please, don't like, don't subscribe. Just listen and feel. See this video? This is how girls are seeing their country through their own eyes. What kind of world have we become? An 8-year-old girl forced to give birth to a child. The so-called father is a 58-year-old man. I've seen that video, that child walking in the street with him. But it's too disturbing to even share. It's 2025. We call ourselves modern, independent, powerful. But some people are still puppets, dancing in fear of their masters. I thought more people would speak up about this, but most stay silent. In Afghanistan, girls can't study beyond 6th grade. They can't even ride a bicycle. Something as simple as going to school, driving, or dreaming has become a luxury. Men are marrying women without their consent. After forcing them to bear children, they leave, only to marry another child, another victim. And the cycle repeats. Widows can't work, but they still have to feed their children. Women doctors are banned, yet women are allowed to be treated only by other women. Tell me, how is this even possible? Being a woman has become a curse there. Their existence is being erased, and the world watches in silence. I'm not asking you to donate. I'm asking you to raise your voice. Talk about it. Share their stories. Let them know the world still sees them. Don't wait for God or miracles. If there was God from above, the creature who can speak will never exist. Humans wouldn't have created this kind of hell below. Raise your voice for them until the sky raise for us.